What's up, everybody? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B, back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys check my blogging channel out. It's called Educatedhustler Live, or Educatedhustler Vlogs. It's on my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll be putting so many vlogs out every single day. I think I'm gonna just put out one, matter of fact, just to start out. I only got 18 subs, so it's like, you know what I mean? I don't want to make it pointless, but I'm going to be putting out a vlog. I'm challenging myself next month, September, to be putting out a vlog every day. I am trying to make that a priority as well. But guys, if you are watching this video, you're watching this because I am actually packaging up a product box, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what's in it. And we're also going to be talking about a customer's testimonial, as I do every product box boxing, or yes, boxing, every product box boxing. That's what I do. Guys, if you don't know what a product box is, it is a box full of wholesale electronics that you actually get in a box that looks just like this. Okay, and in this box there's 42 products that you can sell on any platform: MERCARI, eBay, Amazon, Walmart Marketplace. You can sell this stuff on Etsy. You can even sell it at a yard sale, a flea market, any of those type of, and pop-up shop, any of those type of avenues you can sell these product boxes. And these products in this box are the same products we sell in my store, same products I make money with, guys. And I want you guys to be able to start your extra income stream, and I am helping you guys by providing these products for a wholesale rate. So the box costs $150. So the box costs $150 makes each product in this box, each one is going to be worth $3.50, okay? So that is a good price for these products, and you will also be able to make an income. Now, I don't like to sit there and try to tell you, yeah, you'll be able to make $1,000. That's never going to come out of my mouth. You're never going to hear me tell you, yay, you're going to be able to make $1 billion just buying this for $150, or you're going to be able to make $500. That's not what I do. What I do is I tell you testimonials that I get with my products from my customers, and I show you guys their results. Now, you have to be prepared to actually sit here and care enough to sell these items, okay? The box comes packed like this, and the items in the box are your responsibility to price, your responsibility to inventory. Like, you have to make sure you're treating this like your business. Please don't come to me expecting me to teach you how to make money with these, because really I give you hints, I give you tips, I give you tricks, all in my Discord. If you haven't joined it, join it, but also in videos that I post every single day. All right, guys, so without further ado, we're gonna get into the box. You guys can get this box at hustlersbuy.com. I'm not gonna lie, guys, the price is gonna go up when it comes towards Christmas time, of course, because you know that's when they start selling even more like hotcakes. So guys, I want you to make money, and it's about that time to start getting prepared, okay? Start a fall sale on whatever app you want and get you a product box. Start making money work for you, don't work for the money. All right, guys, so we'll start off with the box. I'm going to be taking each product out, just showing you guys exactly what the products are. And again, stay until the end. We are going to be talking about a testimonial, and I'm excited about this one. So guys, you have a USB adapter. All right, so they get 2 of these in this box. All right, 2 in the box, okay? And I'm excited about this one because this box is actually for somebody that has commented on almost every video, okay? Every video pertaining to a product box, I've got a comment from this person, and I'm excited just to see what they have to say. iPhone 7 headphones, okay? So these are gonna be the headphones with the adapter, all right? Adapter. You have 2 generic headphones. These headphones are really good, again, for people that are looking for cheap solutions. All right, and remember, guys, you can sell all of this stuff at flea markets. I have a few people that sell these things at flea markets, and they're making good money. All right, so then you have the USB to lightning cable. All right, so this right here, this has 20 in it. All right, 20 in it. You hear me? 20. All right, so right now we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So we're at 25, right? Pay attention, guys. I want to see if you catch my drift. Just pay attention. So that's 25. Then we have the Type-C to Lightning, okay? The Type-C to Lightning. This is 20. All right, now we're at 45, but I'm going to keep going. Guys, listen, it's not about the quantity. We don't, here at I Am Hustler's Mindset and Hustlers Buy, we don't want to keep everything normal. That's why every product is randomized. Every box is randomized because we want people to be expecting something fresh, new products that are going to excel, but also challenge them, open their eyes like, oh, I didn't know lightning cords sell this much. We want to challenge you. We want you guys to see exactly how much and how profitable these electronics are, because as we show you, you give me a review, you also give me a testimonial. Once you give me that testimonial, that is what I hold dear and that's what I promote, because guys, my main focus is that you make money. Next, we're gonna have a UBO Labs charger. You guys seen me actually brag about this a lot. I actually just got back from Orlando and was using this on the plane. These are really nice and they keep your device alive. Now we got the iPhone 13 Pro Max screen protector. We also got the 14 Pro Max screen protector, 2 of those as well. All right. Then we have 2 power banks, guys. 2 power banks. 2 power banks. And again, these are fire as well, guys. The power banks are awesome. Then we have a new product alert. The MacBook charger is now included in product boxes as well. This is very expensive wholesale. I'm not gonna lie to you. But you get it for $3.50. That's crazy, guys. That is crazy. That is crazy. I'm telling y'all. All right. Then you have a casemate case, okay? Yes, we do sell casemate cases in the product boxes as well. We're bringing, listen, every month I am getting better and better because I want to show you guys we're putting new products in there, not just the same ones. We got MagSafe chargers as well, 2 of them. All right, 2 MagSafe chargers. They sell real well. Everybody wants them. Then we have the Apple Watch charger. Who doesn't want an Apple Watch charger? Let's be real. Apple Watch chargers are very popular, guys, because it's really hard to find if you don't know a direction to go to, and not every cell phone store sells Apple Watch chargers. And of course, you don't want to go to Apple and be charged up. So where would you go? You'll go on eBay or Amazon, right? That's just a tip, eBay or Amazon. Then you have the Type-C adapter. This Type-C adapter right here is one of my favorite things to sell. Everybody that watches me knows that, because I just love the fact that everybody needs it. Then you have a 14 Pro Max MagSafe case, okay? New packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. Better distributor. So I ended up switching. They used to look a little bit more like Apple's, but this has better and higher quality, all right? I do a video actually recapping and going over it. We also have 2 lightning cables, okay? Light up lightning cables, 4 foot. We have purple, and then I guess this is a pink, a reddish pink, all right? And then last but not least, you have something I have in my car, even though I already have USB chargers. This one has a Type-C and 2 USB, and it also lights up your car, guys. It's tough. This is really nice. I sell this for $20 in my store. This is really nice and also great packaging. So all in total, y'all, he ordered a 42 product box, but instead he's getting 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Getting 59 products, guys. Let's go. And I actually do want to shout out whose order this is. So let me actually grab my phone so I can shout you out. All right, guys, so the order that I'm doing is order 1007. Thank you so much, Joseph D. I appreciate you so much, and I look forward to your review. Guys, feel free to always text me reviews of every product, whether it's a course worksheet, whether it's a box. It doesn't matter. All of your feedback matters to me, okay? And I'm not talking about trolls, all that troll stuff, because I guess I'm getting to the internet portion where I'm starting to get trolls and all of that. It is what it is, but just understand I do appreciate everyone's feedback. And also, guys, I will be doing product boxes as I get feedback. I'm telling you right now, this is something I enjoy to do. I enjoy to take time out of my day, sit down and actually package a product box, and I can pick out what I want to put in there and make sure that you guys can excel. Because the more you get, the more money you make, and the more money you make, the more better the review. And again, I get paid off of your reviews, guys. I appreciate you so much. I love you guys, and here is going to be the most recent review, and I ain't gonna lie, I am looking forward to showing you guys this because it wasn't 100% positive. Like, it brought insight to me on exactly what I can do better, and it's definitely coming, guys. So, hey Brandon, I am very happy but also confused. When I saw that, oh man, I'm in trouble. I received the product box in the beginning of August, and honestly, I didn't know where to start. I wish I watched more videos, and I suggest making a video course on how to sell the products in the box. I do have a video course on IamHustlersMindset.com. It's the product listing course, but I could do better at promoting that. I definitely agree. I have no app sales history, so that was a bit new to me, but after watching your videos and studying, I managed to sell all my items exactly 15 days after getting the box, and I made, it said mad, and I made $423. eBay was my main source, and now I feel like a pro. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. That is awesome to hear, and I'm so happy. And I like getting feedback from you guys, because whether it's negative, whether it's positive, it's something that I can reflect on and something that I can make sure that I nip in the bud, you know? I'm not perfect. So now I see that some people may not have the app experience but want to get the product box. Guys, just for that, I will be letting you guys, if needed, get that product listing course after you purchase the product box for free. It's not about money for me. It's not about charging you up. It's honestly about helping you make this money. So what I will do is, you can leave in the notes of the product box, of course. So when you make the order, you can actually put a note in. So you can put the note in and say that, hey, I would like the product listing course, and I got you. I will hook you guys up for a limited amount of time, though, okay? Just this week. So we'll do that until, let's do it until the 31st of August, okay? When you buy a product box, you get the product listing course for free. All right, so you guys can actually put 2 and 2 together, and you can actually learn how to list those products. And again, this wasn't planned. This is just something that I want to try to put my best foot forward, so that you guys can understand how to sell efficiently if you don't know how to. But guys, that is going to be all. I gotta go pick up the kids. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys, love you guys to death, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.